Hello guys and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you guys how to install iOS 17 on your iPhone without a developer account for Apple. What you have to do is you open Safari and then you go to this website ipsw, you go beta.dev. Once you get here you scroll down and you click on this one, iOS 16 beta profile still works to get iOS 17. Once you click on it, close the ad, and then you allow, and how you can see the profile was downloaded. Now you have to go to settings, you go to general, you go to VPN and device manager, iOS 16, you install, you put your passcode, install. Once you get here, the most important thing, not now, you don't restart your phone. Click done. Then you go to software updates, and here you will appear with beta, which it says off. You click on it and you select iOS 17 developer beta. Once you go back, you will get prompted to install iOS 17 without a developer account. It's that easy. So yeah, thank you very much for watching. If you do like it, please don't forget to like and subscribe. It really helps me out. And I will see you guys next one.